So great, here we are. So hello guys, so this is Dominic Sakakini here at Sakakini Jewellers, and listen, I want you all guys to see, this is the first time you've ever seen it. This is where all the magic happens. We're in the workshop and a galaxy far, far away from, especially it sounds like section 101, doesn't it, of Star Wars. Yeah. So here we go. I want you to meet the guys and go on, tell everyone who you are.
So hello everyone, this is where the magic happens. It's not fairies, it's dwarves like myself.
Right.
This is where we'll be doing all your repairs. For example, I was just about to sit down in the laser machine.
Here we go guys, this is the laser machine and this is where we do all your claw work. So if you've got a sapphire or anything like that, or a stone that's going to, you know, basically, we'll tell you, we'll work you through it all. So here we go. So what we're doing here now.
So for example, on this ring, we're just building up one of these claws. It's slightly smaller than the rest. And here's our 18 carat wire. Whoopsie daisy. And we'll be going in here, we'll set the current a bit higher, about 100A, a bit wider beam. And unfortunately we can't show you what's happening in here. You can probably see a little bit through there.
Something here down here, can we? Yeah, where we
might be able to.
So,
where are we?
Here we go, so he's got his eyes in there. He's going down and this is where, you see the sparks? See where that ring, there you go.
There you go.
There we go. He's doing the claw work there. You can just about see. Fantastic.
Just about see it.
Brilliant.
There we go. That comes out. That's now been lasered up, built up on the top. Sometimes it needs doing on the sides, but that's not needed doing today. It's also having a half shank on. And I've just tacked that in place. And this is now ready for soldering.
Fantastic.
So I'll be going away and doing that. Oh,
so you're going to solder that. Yeah, great. So here we go, we're going to solder this up. Thanks guys. So, here we go, we've got some more work going on this bench.
Yep, doing a casting here.
Hey, yeah.
Cleaning up casting.
Cleaning up the yeah,
silver
cool.
casting coming today.
Right.
So that'll take about half an hour. Half an hour to do.
Yeah.
It first comes in looking like it's covered in sandpaper.
Right.
Then we get a number of tools, files and whatnot, file off the sprue, and about half an hour, polish it up, and it should look fantastic. Cool,
man. Cool. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah. It's good.
Wicked. Look at all those tools. Look at all those tools. Yeah. I tell you, you ever seen a bench like it? Okay, so.
Howdy doody. Welcome back. So this is where we'll just be soldering the shank that I've just lasered up, just to tack it on.
Okay, see that join there? Here we go.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All melted up.
Done.
All done.
There you go. So that's the shank replacement. Was that a shank replacement?
And that was just one side.
Yeah.
We'll be going around and do the other side next.
Okay.
So I'll quench that, cool it down, because I don't want to put my fingers on a red hot piece of metal.
No, I've done that a few times.
I'm about to say, me as well.
Hurts, doesn't it?
It does. You never learn after the first time. It takes at least about 10 years or so. So this is our solder.
Cool.
This is what we use.
Yeah.
It's a paste solder.
So much easier. So how long have you been doing this now?
This is probably coming up to my 11th year.
11 years.
11 years doing repair work.
Excellent.
And building up and all sorts of stuff. It's
fantastic.
Started from designing to making, and basically all the whole breadth and
just zoomed in so much. It's just like whoa. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your favourite part of the job?
Part of the job. It's nice seeing when a ring goes out and a smile on the customer's face.
Excellent. I love it when they cry.
Do you like
yeah, when you give it to them and they go, wow, that was amazing, and they start crying. So what are we doing here?
Just tipping some claws in the old traditional way with solders as a diamond, so they're not affected by heat.
Right.
And just tidying up apart and doing the job.
Okay, cool. Cool, look at that. So as you can see, a lot of this jewellery work, it's all about the claws. And if you're losing a stone, you've only got yourself to blame because you never brought it in to have it checked out. Isn't that right, lads?
That is perfect. That is spot on.
Yeah. Every year I recommend you come down, and get it all sorted. So the majority of the work that's coming in at the moment is all through claw work. Oh, look at that coffee! Oh, wicked, wicked. Now this is going to be my bench, coffee bench. And over here we got the we got some setting going on. Cool. Is that the two stone? The one with the two stones that were missing I gave earlier?
Yeah.
Cool. So Mandy, who's out there, who brought this ring in yesterday, she just come back from holiday, knocked 2 diamonds out, and here we are, Mandy. So you can see your stones are being set by a very agile diamond setter here, who's, trust me, he needs the patience of a saint. There we go, you can see the small stone there, popping that into the mount. Mandy, I hope you appreciate all the hard work that's going into this for you, and I will be able to give you this ring back this afternoon. So yeah, as you can see, everything is not machine set, it's hand set. And that little mount there, you see that big stone there, that Peter is yours, and that will be done straight after this ring, which is fantastic. We'll come back to this one over here. So as you can see, everyone is busy at work. I can take you through to the polishing room. Here we go, Julie. This is the polishing room. Oh wow, we are really focused up so much. Okay, this is where all the sparkle happens, isn't it, lads? This is where the elves work. Especially busy. Yeah, tell them how busy you were over Christmas.
Very busy.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So, this here is the cleaning and polishing. There's your rhodium plate machine there in the corner, guys. That makes it the old, gives it that new sparkle. So here we go. So he's going to polish the inside of the ring, as you can see. And then we're going to change up the wheel and give it a nice old... are we frosting that up?
Tripling.
Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. So you're going to get, again, cleaning more claw work. Look at that. Look at that. Smashing stuff. And he even gets to listen to the music while he works. Isn't that amazing, eh? He's going to start dancing in a minute.
Only at Christmas.
Aha! So tell everyone, do you just specialise in polishing?
That's all I do, yeah.
That's all you do, is all the polishing?
Yeah.
Very specialist work, and you can see in this room, it's self-contained, and we've got an extractor fan there. It goes out, because trust me, this stuff goes everywhere. This polishing rouge, it's a hazard, isn't it? It's a biohazard. You see he's got a mask on. So it's a very dangerous work, this polishing, and just because of what you get in there for your jewellery, and you'll be surprised how much work it takes. You can see he's doing the inside of the ring mount. There we go, we're going to give it the old polish on the inside of the ring. So how long have you been doing this? Since 9 o'clock this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
That's what I normally say.
7, 8 years.
7 to 8 years, wow. Now you see that, that is what you call jeweller's hands. Very famous. You can always tell a jeweller or someone who's been polishing, working on their hands, because the polishing machine is probably by far the worst bloody machine that ruins your fingers. They all crack, don't they? Do you have to moisturise?
I wouldn't say in front of them.
So he does moisturise. The guys are sitting over there going, yeah, right. He does moisturise, doesn't he? Loads, yeah, yeah.
I don't need to yet. I'm only 28.
He doesn't need to. So yeah, you see that all that rouge on his finger? I tell you what, it ruins the hell out of my fingers. So yeah, yes, jewellers, we have to moisturise on a regular basis. Anyway, that ring's looking really a lot better, isn't it? It's coming up a treat. So what do you know? What was being done on that? How's that being repaired?
reset stone.
So that stone was being reset,
Yeah,
and
we
cool.
tipped 10 claws
Yeah, yeah,
and we reset the stone, the centre stone.
cool. So the claws are all being redone. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. And then it's got the old ultrasonic with the secret sorts in there. Which you can now washing up liquid, or do you use something special?
Micronized.
Oh, really? Okay. All right then. That works out pretty good. So this is the ultrasonic, which gets all the wax out and all that polishing crap out and gives you all the clean stones. Now, do you change that every day?
Yeah.
You change that water every day?
Yeah.
Excellent. So you can actually put your finger in that, guys, but it will feel a bit funny. Feel like you've been electrocuted, doesn't it? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, yeah. It's millions of particles of water. It's great at cleaning your hands on as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's brilliant stuff. It's better than Swarfiga liquid version.
It's not when they're cut.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. No, that does hurt, doesn't it? So there we have it. There we go. So here we got any designs coming up on the computer today? Oh, here we go. So there we go. Some designs that have come up. So as you can see, the whole package and everything's been done here from the work centre, and literally there's nothing that doesn't get done. So we go. So there's a quick invite to the workshop, and I hope you all enjoy yourself. Oh, let's just quick see how Pete's ring's doing, or Mandy's ring, or here we go. Let's have a look. So, oh wow, thank you. That is brilliant. There you go, Mandy. You're all set. I'll see you this afternoon. Are we going to do the 3 carat now? Are we?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Oh, is that your sticky stick?
Yeah.
So we stick the diamond on the stick, and it helps set it into the stones, into the mount. Is that right? It holds it.
Right, holds it.
So how old would you say your tools are?
Some are 30 years old.
Yeah, I'd say so.
They'll just be the handles.
Yeah. A lot of the tools that we use here is, I mean, let's face it, they're sort of, some of them are even handed down from one generation to another, and we use it, because you know what, you get a favourite tool, don't you? You get a feel for it.
Yeah.
You just can't get over a new one. So here we go. So we'll set that mount on. Peter, if you're watching, I know you're abroad, but when you get back from holiday, here it is. It's being set. So what we're doing is we're setting the mount on a wax stick. Is it wax? It's like a wax stick.
Cement.
Cement, okay, and that holds it in place because there's quite a lot of pressure that has to be placed on these stones, isn't there?
Yeah.
That needs doing. Fantastic. Look at that. Wow. Okay, he's getting that in place. In the meantime, I'm going to take this ring and see if we can get it polished. Mandy, I'm going to polish you up. Any chance we can get this one popped up before it splits? It's the old platinum alternative. We'll pop back in a second. Let's get back to the setting.
Has to cool down for about 5 minutes.
Has to cool down. Okay, cool. So, cool. Did you get it? Oh dear, I'm so funny. Right, here we go. So, Julie, say hello to everyone.
Hiya.
Tell them what you do. You're the chief. You know, she sorts everything out. Look at this.
Stuff, booking jobs in.
Just so your stuff doesn't get lost.
Yeah,
All right.
it all in.
She puts the ticket on. Is that a ticket on the back? Here
Yeah,
you
it's a
go.
barcode.
So there you go. There's your barcode, folks. So how do we get everything mixed up? Well, Julie makes sure we don't get anything mixed up, and I'm not going to tell you anything that has ever happened to us before, but
No.
most of the time it's all good, isn't it? Though
It's mostly good.
it's all
yeah.
good. That's brilliant. Okay, fantastic. So that's it, guys. You've given a quick tour around the shop, around the workshop. You can see everyone go. Oh, look, here we go. Here's the man you need to talk to. Now, this guy sorts all the computer work out, right? The website.
There we go.
All the website stuff, and Digital Jewellers, your new book, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
The digital, and how's the Digital Jewellers going on? How's the
Yeah,
book
it's good.
going?
Yeah, the book's good. It's helping the industry move forward with technology, and it's a really good book for anyone interested in how to leverage online website presence for the industry.
Fantastic. It's good fun though, isn't it?
It is.
We are
yes, very
enjoying
much.
it. Super. And we're putting the world in. We're making the world a smaller place, aren't we?
That's
the
right.
digital jeweler.
Yeah. Yeah, helping. It's good to be transparent and help everyone understand how jewellery's made and how technology now influences how jewellery design can be now visualised without actually manufacturing a product. So it's a really good way to understand the new process.
Cool.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And the website. How long's that website taken to develop? I mean, it's taken us ages,
yes,
hasn't it?
yeah, we're always building on it. As with any technology, you continually improve and grow.
Yeah.
So, the best thing about it is it allows more customisation and personalisation. So, but we'll continue adding more features and the ability to design more things online.
Great, super. Well, there you have it. The website, if you don't know, is sakgems.com. So we're loving it. So listen, guys, I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm going to go now, say goodbye. And if you enjoyed the feed, share it with your friends, and love you. Take care. Bye.